Okay, listen. So, have you ever felt like there is literally nothing to wear in your wardrobe? What is more, have you ever felt like there is no way to put your things in order? Or another one, have you ever felt like you take too much time to get dressed? Well, just keep on watching because this video is made for you. So the backstory of this video is actually that we live here since a year and I still couldn't convince myself to get my clothes organized. So in this video, I'm gonna do that, and apart from that, I'm going to give you the best ideas and best tricks in order to keep your clothes organized, to save space, and just to get simply inspired each time you open your closet. So hello there people, how are you doing? I hope that everybody's having the best time ever, and if you're new on my channel, hey, my name is Chenge. I'm a stylist based in Milan, and this channel is more or less about that and about you finding your own way towards your personal style. In order to create the best system in your wardrobe, let's divide this video in 5 different chapters, 5 different levels. So in the end, you're going to build it from the bottom to the top. A big shout out to the people that subscribe to my channel lately. You know, the guys, that I have this jar since a while. And if you subscribe publicly, you are going to have your initial on your dedicated heart. So thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Remember, if we hit 1000, I get a new microphone as well, a more serious one. But anyway, you guys really make my dreams come true, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Chapter 1. Take all out and analyze. Let's just have a look at the things that you are most frequently wearing. Keep these things as a priority. These are going to be the ones that have to be the more accessible in your wardrobe. And also just understand a way in your system what clothes are not really worn anymore. Most of the time I hear about this rule about the 6 months that you're not wearing something, but I do not agree with that. In my personal opinion, I would say that it should be the 1 season rule, so that if you worn something the last season and this season you skipped it, it's okay. But if there is something you're not wearing and you didn't wear it last season, let's just consider if you can find anyway a method to build in your actual wardrobe, or otherwise just send it to donation or consider selling it online. This works only if you're strict with yourself. I know that there are certain emotional pieces that you want to keep because it's gonna be good one day. I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna gain weight, I'm going to match it in a wedding with something else. But believe me, if you're not wearing it anymore, it doesn't make sense. It just occupies space in your wardrobe. And now our goal is to save space and create a good wardrobe that is well functioning. The second option is actually to invest in wardrobe organizational tools. You can find a couple options, for example, on Amazon. I believe that when you open your wardrobe and you find a good organization, a good correct tools, things, for example, like the hanger that doesn't let your clothes fall down, is definitely a plus comfort, a piacere. In Italian, it's called piacere. That is a pleasure to open your wardrobe and find things in order, and I think you would find even your clothes to be more appreciated. If you don't really feel like dedicating the money to the hangers and you just really feel like doing something for your wardrobe, I am going to leave a link on the Pinterest, because I found it actually on Pinterest. It is a super zero cost box covering option that you can do for yourself for completely free. It is just get a box, whatever, could be from Amazon, it could be from any kind of shipping boxes, and just cover it with old bed sheets, linens, or any fabric that you can find at home that you're not using anymore. I'm mostly using these boxes when it comes to my gym wear or socks or panties or anything like that. So far you probably realize that there are certain items that are better being folded and there are different items better to be hanged. I actually decided on hanging up my trousers, even though I used to fold them, but I realized that in this specific case it is better to give them some kind of air, so that's why they are hanging and not being folded anymore. But there are certain items that are definitely saving up much space by being folded. I'm going to show you 2 different folding techniques. One is for panties, because yes, once you fold your panties, I know it's much effort, but believe me, I started it years ago. I said like I'm completely out of my mind and I just keep it. I love it. I can see each one of them. The other one is more for gym wear or leggings or any kind of t-shirts that you can imagine. It is very good. It's saving so much space and you can still see each one of them. divide the things by logic, and I already was mentioning this in the beginning of this video. It's one thing that you realize what is priority and what are you wearing frequently, and those items should be definitely the ones that are the most accessible in your wardrobe, but have another kind of system, and I call it color coding. So first of all, what you are going to do is dividing your clothes by functionality. So first it goes the shirts, secondly the jumpers or cardigans, and so on and so on and so on. When you have these sections dedicated to the different functionality, you can just start color coding. The farthest item is actually the lightest one, so it pops out, and I'm going to colorful ones, and lastly the gray, dark gray, and brown and black ones. I don't really have black clothes, as you can definitely see on the video. It was a hard work, long time of hard work actually. But it completely depends on you what kind of color coding you like following. I would really recommend you to implement this in your wardrobe because it's so much easier to find a certain piece in your closet. Respect the items that you have and keep the order, and that is our long-term project, because otherwise it made no sense to put in order your clothes, and believe me, it is completely worth it to do so. I heard from a YouTuber, and I believe this is also a main guideline of minimalism, of what I could probably not take part of. But just keep the items that you can completely appreciate and respect, and just stop overconsumption. So I really hope that this video was useful. Just let me know in the comments section and give me a thumbs up if you feel like. Just subscribe to my channel and check out this video as well. It is also very useful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Ciao! Yeah, just watch this. Click this, click this. Click this, please. Thank you.